Hi students, today we're going to be learning about how to understand words with multiple meanings. You have probably noticed that many words in English can have multiple meanings or definitions. These vocabulary words are polysemous words. When you use the dictionary to look up new words, you should try to pay close attention to the different definitions. Many definitions or meanings of a word can sometimes be very similar to each other. In order to correctly understand the meaning of your new vocabulary word, try to look back at the original context of the new word you are trying to learn. And then maybe look at the dictionary to see what other definitions might be available for you to use in actually using this new word in your writing. Take a look, for example, at the word appeal. This is a vocabulary word and it is a noun. Notice, though, how many different definitions you have for this noun. It could mean a request. It could mean a request for money. It could mean a request to change a decision, or it could mean the quality of being attractive. What I want you to do right now is pause this presentation to read through the different types of definitions for the word appeal, as well as the different types of example sentences and how the word is actually used. Then, once you are done reading, press play again. Take a moment to press pause. All right, students, so welcome back. Let's do a little bit of practice with these different definitions. What I want you to do is look at the example dictionary entry over to the right of your page. Write the number of the correct definition for the word as it is used in the example sentence. So for example, it says Brad Pitt is an actor who has a great deal of appeal to many different audiences. In this sentence, what dictionary definition is being used as the meaning of the word appeal in this sentence? Is it request? Is it a request for money? Is it a request to change a decision? Or is it the quality of being attractive? Press pause for a moment to think about your answer. Which definition number would you use here? And then press play. All right, students, so let's take a look at the answer. Brad Pitt is an actor who has a great deal of appeal to many different audiences. In this sentence, the word appeal is actually using definition number 4, the quality of being attractive to others. In this sentence, appeal does not mean a request. It doesn't mean a request for money or a request to change a decision. It really means a quality that makes people like something or someone. Now, what you're going to do is practice the use of multiple meanings for vocabulary words on Canvas in the next module. You can practice this quiz as many times as you want until you get the score that you are happy with. This assignment will go into your quiz category grade.